learners! Welcome to another episode of Math Legends TV. This is Teacher Ace, your math teacher. Today, we will learn how to determine the area of a circle using standard units, solve real-life problems involving area of a circle, and manifest accuracy in solving word problems. Look at this pretty wooden fruit platter. Look closely. Have you noticed that it's bound with a metal ring? Yes! Around it is a sturdy metal fixed firmly. If I remove the metal ring from the wooden board, what do you think will happen? The ring creates the circle shape, while the wooden board is the surface of the circle. Circle is formed by points equidistant from a fixed point, the center, which means it doesn't include the space within. The wood part occupies the space within the circle. This space is called the area within the circle. What do you think is an area? Area is defined as the number of square units that cover the surface of a closed figure. Square units can be square centimeter, square millimeter, square meter, square feet, and so on. What do you think is the area of the wooden board? How can we get the area of the wooden board? Come and see this. First, we need to determine the radius of the circle. You may use a ruler in doing so. Radius is a straight line from the center to any point of the circle's edge. Twice the length of the radius is the diameter. Second, we should always remember the pi value. This is its symbol. Pi is a mathematical constant taken from the ratio of the circle's circumference to its diameter. It is a constant, meaning you can't change anything in it. It is important to always know its value. Does the value of pi change with the size of the circle? The answer is no. Let's watch this. How do we calculate pi? Pi has a formula of circumference over diameter. If the diameter is 1, measuring the circumference is 3.14159 and so on, which is equal to pi. Now let's have these two circles with different size and different diameter. We can see that we always get the constant pi. The value of the pi is the same no matter how big or small a circle is. Pi value is often expressed in its rounded form, or else you won't be blown away by the lengthy expression. Just take the 3.14 value. And lastly, use the formula. The formula is area of a circle equals pi r squared, where pi is equal to 3.14. R squared is the square value of the radius. As to how the formula came to be, here's how. If you cut the circle like you do in pies, then arrange the pieces to form a parallelogram. We now can say that the circle's area can be computed like you do in parallelograms, and that is base multiplied by the height. Here, the radius is exactly the height. Base 1 and base 2 actually is the circle's edge or the circumference, which by formula is 2 pi r. Since we only need the measure of one base, so it is just 1 pi r or by mathematical default, is just pi r. So what is base times height is pi r times r for circles that can also be expressed as pi r squared. The formula in computing the area of the circle is pi r squared. Now let's give it a try. Here's a circle. Its radius measures 4 cm. What is the area of this circle? Using the formula pi r squared, we say area of the circle is equal to 3.4d times the square of 4 cm, which is 16 square centimeter. So 3.4d times 16 square centimeter is equal to 50 and 2400 square centimeter. The area of the circle with a radius of 4 centimeter is 50 and 2400 square centimeter. Now your turn. Here's a circle with a diameter of 14 meters. What is its area? Well done! It's 153 and 8600 square meters. Some of you may have answered over 600 square meters. Be careful. The formula requires the measure of the radius. 14 meters is the diameter of the circle. Since radius is half the diameter, so it is 7 meters. Area of the circle is equal to 3.14 times radius squared, in which our radius is 7 square meter. 3.14 multiplied by the square of 7 meters, so 3.14 times 49 square meters. So the answer is 153 and 8600 square meters. Now let's try solving some real-life problems. It will be great if you will help me out. Let's try this one. A goat is on a leash measuring 8 feet. If the goat is allowed to graze around by its leash, what is the area in the field that the goat can graze on? That's good! The goat can graze around on the area of 296 square feet. Here's how the answer came up. With the control of the leash, the goat can only graze around a circular area. The area of the circle is 3.4d times r squared, in which r radius is 8 square feet. 3.4d times the square of 8 feet is equal to 64 square feet. So, 3.4d times 64 square feet is equal to 296 square feet. Nicely done, everyone! To enhance your knowledge, please get your paper and pen and let's do this exercise. Find the area of the circles. You are given 30 seconds to answer for every number. 2,400 square meters. The answer is 314 square meters. The answer is 78 and 5/10 square centimeters. The answer is 153 and 86 square meters. For number 5, a pizza has a diameter of 20 centimeters and is divided into 4 equal slices. What is the area of one slice? The correct answer is letter B, 314 square centimeters. Let me remind everyone to wash hands before eating to avoid COVID transmission. I hope you enjoy and learn a lot in today's episode. Remember, area of a circle equals pi r squared. Repeat after me, pi r squared. Let's all tap our shoulder for a task well done. For more exercises, please refer to your self-learning module, Quarter 4, Week 1. See you in the next episode of Math Legends TV. Bye-bye!